Wheelchair accessibility issues.
Abound. To exist in large number.
Account for. To be responsible for, be the cause of.
Capable. Able to do something.
Compact. Small.
Corridor. Hallway.
Curb. The raised edge of the street.
Disability. A condition that makes it difficult to do things other people do. Exterior. The outside of something.
Incapacitated. Unable to do things normally.
Interior. The inside of something.
Necessitate. To make necessary.
Poverty. The condition of being poor.
Ramp. A smooth surface that allows access between levels.
Recreation. Leisure activities.
Slippery. Causing things to slide or slip, difficult to hold or stand on.
Slope. A surface at an angle, with the top higher than the bottom.
Switch. A button used to turn on lights or machines.
Terrain. The surface of land.
Unwieldy. Difficult to manage.
Update. To modernize, improve.
If a wheelchair has certain capabilities, it is easier to take on a crowded bus or subway.
Some wheelchairs are capable of being folded.
People can get around quite capably with a wheelchair.
A disability does not have to prevent a person from living a complete life.
The disabled require many adjustments to a house.
An accident can disable a person for life.
Wheelchairs have helped many disabled people get around.
His growing incapacity did not stop him from enjoying life.
Incapacitation caused by aging is one reason that people use wheelchairs.
Age, injury, and illness are all things that can incapacitate people.
People can become incapacitated with age.
He uses a wheelchair out of necessity.
Wheelchairs necessitate ramps and wide corridors.
Ramps are necessary to accommodate wheelchairs.
Corridors in hospitals are necessarily wide to accommodate wheelchairs.
Slips and falls are a major cause of injury in the elderly.
The slipperiness of the roads after an ice storm accounts for many accidents.
A wheelchair can slip on a wet or icy surface.
Ice can make a sidewalk too slippery for a wheelchair.